All right, so for this spot, I pulled off this stuff off the wall. As you can see, it has some abrasion stuff on there. So I am going to sand this down and put some coats of paint. Not paint, but some mud. I got my 6-inch and my 12-inch blade that is gonna complete this job. I'll be right back. And then I get my 80 grit sandpaper. As you can see, the excess stuff is flying off the wall that I don't need. All right, so first things first, you go around the perimeter with the coat. Doesn't matter how thick it is on there, just get it on the wall. And bring it on down. You always want 3 fingers to guide you. This is where most of the pressure is going to be with this finger, as vice versa, and so forth. Okay, now that it's pretty much on there, a little bit more right here. Okay, I'll come with my 12. You have excess on there, you just take the blade like this, clean it on off. Got a clean blade, I can go back. Start at the top, bring it down. See areas that need it. Don't Don't be afraid to apply more mud to the wall and smooth it out. And there, you have it. Ooh, look at that. Once that dries, that's pretty much ready to paint. That's how thin you need to apply your mud. All right. Now you're supposed to see it levitating off the wall. And there you have it. A mud tutorial on the sticky stuff. And there you have it. But if you still don't feel confident enough, give us a call. 708-537-8486. Book today.